My friends, welcome back on our channel Countryside Dream. I'm super glad that you are back because we did really big progress with our house after really a long preparation. Finally, we are going to rise these huge timbers because all camp carpentry is done. But as a first preparation step, what we are going to do today, we need to prepare the steel pads, to which we will also install the poles which will hold the whole terrace. So right now I'm going to use this asphalt penetration. I'm going to put some asphalt sheet here, also do this steel pads, and then yeah, we are ready. So, and this is how it looked like. Yeah. So it creates a little film, asphalt film on the top, and yeah, close the pores. And then we are going to put a flame and put such a pieces of asphalt sheets on the top to prepare spaces for the steel pads for the poles of the terrace. So, and this is how it should look like. Ideal piece, penetration a little bit bigger, then yeah, asphalt sheets melted only on edges, glued to the surface, everything like a really tight connection. I think also here and here. It's not burned, sometimes it happened, yeah, also to me. But now it's a really nice surface prepared to installation of the steel pad. So now I'm going to check where will be the holes and install the pad on the top. And why we are doing this, we would love to really insulate the steel pad from the concrete. Yeah, because it's not really nice to have steel on a really wet surface. And this is the idea. So I'm going to this is installed. I'm going to install the corner one, then I will install the rope to have it everything in line and put every single steel pad for a pole. Plenty work to do. Finished, it's installed, so it's prepared for installation of the poles. And if we will have the better weather today, I would love to already assemble the terrace construction, and the next, I don't know, in a few days the crane operator will be here and we will put it together, hopefully. So as a first step, we installed one plank, really, because I would love to really reinforce the scar joint which is down there. and it's just like a temporary reinforcement for a rising day. It's not colliding with our construction, so we are able to continue and prepare all this terrace construction, and this, as soon as it will be up by the crane, this will go off. So, the first side of terrace we successfully mounted together. This is how it looks like. Everything nice, knee braces, super tight, everything. Guys, I think it's absolutely awesome and gorgeous. Every pole has a hole already. As you know, I already installed such a stuff, and then as soon as everything will be successfully mounted together, then I ordered a crane and we are going to put it together like one huge construction with a ceiling, terrace, everything together. I think it will be super beautiful. So, and now we are going to continue with this side. Again, we mounted really a reinforcement in the next to the scar joint, and we are going to push it this way, then this way, and create such a construction also on this side of the house. My friends, look at that. Also, this construction is ready. Knee braces, poles, huge timber, top timber. Look at that scar joint. Everything is prepared for a raising day. I think it will be absolutely gorgeous. Good morning, everybody. Finally, after a long time of preparation, we have a rising day. Guys, we're just waiting for a crane and I need to finish some preparations. What I did, I also, cover this end in a normal foil. Why? Because when we will rise it in this way, I really want to prevent this end will be muddy or something like that. This is the first thing what I did. Second one, all these steel connection to the concrete, I lose them because I would love to have a possibility to fit it on a pole, and also I raise everything to the same height. Yeah, for 14 centimeters is like a 3 centimeters more than it should be. Why? Because on the top, when we will put the huge timbers to the pockets, I would love to really achieve the really tight connection, the really nice fit, and then we will lower whole construction. So guys, now I'm preparing this asphalt sheet, and this will be like a waterproofing or hydro insulation in between the wall and the timbers, and then it will be also isolation for the pockets where the timbers will be in the wall. So yeah, I'm just cutting it in half. It will be then spread on the top of the walls, and then on the top we will lay the timbers. It's here. So my friends, look at that. Finally the timber frame construction of my ceiling and terrace is done. One huge construction, I think, because yeah, I'm super happy about it. I'm not the professional, and because of that I'm really happy about this. Yeah, so construction is here. This is the end of today's video. I'm going to check it and be happy. And yeah, next time we will continue with the deck on the top of the ceiling. So guys, next time.